Hey everybody, Cowboy here. Just a quick look at gold and Bitcoin and whether or not they are correlated. And what's interesting here is you get to see how I use TradingView in order to verify this or to not verify it. Either way, if you like this content, please wait till the end. It's a very quick clip, and afterwards we tell you who we are, what we do, how to find us, or simply zap the QR code that you see on the screen, bottom right, or go to algofactory.tech. Enjoy. Lisa asks, do you think Bitcoin affects or correlates gold rate? Well, I don't like to think. I like to know. So what I would do is I would put Bitcoin on the chart, and I would add gold over the top. I would say, and not a new pane. I don't want to do that. Let's actually undo that. Let's do new price scale. So I would look at both the charts to tell you if it correlates, and I could tell you it does, and it's probably largely going to correlate due to movement of the dollar, but you're looking at the daily here. So just going back to say 2022, you can see the moves down, the moves up, they all coincide, but again, that's probably going to do widely with actions of the US dollar. So, but yeah, they correlate, and you have it right in front of you there. So, all right, cool. We can look a little more at this if we care to. But let me get this off the chart here. I actually want to see that on higher time frame. So we're going to look higher time frame in the private room. But V, Gorilla, please, can you give us that send off so we can move on to the private show?
Absolutely. I want to thank all you guys for listening in. Listen, don't sit there on the sidelines wondering if this is for you or not. Wondering, hey, you know what? I'm not that great in math. I can't figure this all out. Look, let us take the guesswork out for you. Let us handle all that stuff, and we show you how to break things down and make it real easy for you. Listen, join us, algofactory.tech. 2024 is coming. Don't leave money on the table. And with that being said, Cowboy, let's get into it.
Okay. All right, cool. So I went ahead and I took the QR code off the top left-hand side of the screen to help everybody see what the symbol is. That's the only bummer. We don't need a QR code during the show, but you just kind of forget that it's there. And when it's up there, it blocks the symbol. Of course, if that does happen, people, I have the watermark on the back of the screen. So if you just look on the back here, you can see BTC USD 18 hour. So the watermark should tell you like that. But anyway. Let's take a look at Bitcoin and gold on, like, say, the weekly. So I want to see what that correlation looks like. High time frame. Because Bitcoin moves exponentially, right? Yeah, so you look at this. I mean, even Bitcoin's rise in 2020 came along with gold. Gold, it's just not the same size of a rise. So gold made it from 1100 all the way up to like 2000. So it doubled, but it doubled around the same time as Bitcoin. But it has stayed up, where Bitcoin has done its 4-year cycle and not stayed up. So, I mean, there's, going back with Bitcoin, we would have to actually make Bitcoin into a log, and that way we can do this. Yeah, I mean, it's hard because there's such different markets in a way, just because Bitcoin is still coming into its own, but you can see that the correlation's there, moves up, moves down. So it's pretty clear they both correlate. But again, I'm gonna attribute that to dollar devaluation. To movements of the dollar, even, is a better way to put it. Because dollar gets weak, gold and Bitcoin get strong, right? Dollar gets strong, gold and Bitcoin get weak. It's not even necessarily a devaluation thing. It's just dollar strength. Over a long period of time, that's where the devaluation comes in. So, hey everybody, Cowboy here. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget you can go over to www.algofactory.tech. Zap the QR code on the screen. Get us on Twitter at algo_factory777. And don't forget, we help people become traders. We help also to put people on the road to creating an algorithm that you can automate if that's what you would want to do. You can walk away, trade, it's a beautiful thing. And limited time, $49.99 a month for the membership. We hope to see you there. Thanks.